back to another video. This was supposed to be a really exciting one showing Nick's new 2JZ swapped S2000 that makes 1200 of the tire, but within 48 hours of owning it, he went ahead and totaled it. So instead, we're gonna go and pick it up from the scrapyard, bring it somewhere else so that insurance can look at pictures and see if it's truly totaled. On the bright side, we get to drive the twin turbo S650, so we're gonna go ahead and get a start up, and then I need to head to the bank real quick, and then we will go to the scrapyard or whatever you wanna call it. Don't forget, at 100,000 subs, I know we're far away, but at 100,000 subs, I'm giving away a twin turbo kit from HELLHORSE Performance, custom to whoever wins, so it could be around $12,000 that person gets, so make sure you subscribe. This thing with a tune is gonna be spicy. That's on 3.5 pounds of boost. This thing can be spicy. It will be spicy. I'm gonna be the first one to blow up an S650. Mark my words on it. We have made it to the salvage yard. I see a wild S2K tucked in way back there.
We are here at the...
This man, I drove him an hour out here. An hour, we drove an hour out here. Doesn't bring the one piece of information that shows he owns the car, the bill of sale. The car isn't registered yet. It was wrecked into within the first 24 hours that he had it. So the car wasn't registered. So now we have to drive an hour back after we drove an hour out here to get a paper to turn around and drive back again.
They specifically said, bring insurance and the crash report. That is exactly what I provided. Then there was a man at the desk that said that was not enough information.
Bro had the bill of sale, but just didn't bring it because they didn't say I needed to bring it, so I'm just gonna leave it at home. The best example I can give of this, if you're a dad or you used to play baseball, this is like when you drive like an hour out to a tournament at 7 a.m. and you left your cleats or your baseball bag, and then your dad's pissed at you and you have that silent car ride home. This is my son. He left his baseball bag at home, so now he's in trouble. Is it funny? Bro, it's hilarious, dude. It's hilarious. So I found Nick's punishment. We're not gonna have Apple CarPlay or air conditioning or a reliable vehicle. We are gonna take my 1988 Silverado Fred that broke down once yesterday on our 5-minute drive, and we're gonna make the entire drive to Foster's. The entire drive to the scrapyard. With Fred. Are we gonna break down? Probably. But guess what? Then you have a problem to deal with. Then we both have a problem to deal with. Well, Nick's punishment, part of Nick's punishment, is we're gonna take Fred instead. No air conditioning, no radio. Probably gonna break down. Literally travel around with tools because it'll probably break down, but hey. Do it anyways. Are we gonna make it? I don't know. Probably not. Today already is partially a wreck, so why not waste a little more time? All right, we got her started. She's gotta check, oh, check engine light's gone, we're good to go. Close hood. Got about an hour-long drive and then an hour drive back. What's a little more time wasted, right? We can just waste a little more time. Do you need more room? Is it not very spacious? I was like, turn on the Apple CarPlay. Cruise at a nice like 65 mile an hour. This thing tops out at 80, so I also don't have headlights, so hopefully it doesn't get too dark.
Yeah, we're closed at 5. Everybody's way home now.
But the gate, it says open 24 hours on the app?
Like, we're open 24 hours. Like, if you need a tow, we're open 24 hours. But the main office is only open 8 to 5.
That would have been nice to know just now before we went all the way back home and now back. So, all right.
I'm sorry they didn't like know before that.
Yeah, they made no note of that because we said we'd be right back, and they said, all right. And now we're back here, and here we are.
This is hour 3 of driving.
So, I guess what time are you guys open tomorrow?
I'm not coming back.
8 a.m. to 5.
8 a.m. to 5.
Keep mental note of that because I ain't going.
All right, well, I guess just be back here at 8 a.m. That's cool, I guess.
All right, thank you. Sorry about that.
Good.
I'm not coming back. Obviously, Fred made it home. Fred did over 100 miles today. This video should be going a lot better, but instead, we're gonna wake up at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning and drive all the way back there again. Tomorrow, probably not going to bring Fred. This was supposed to be a punishment for Nick if it didn't work, but of course Fred's a beast and he made the trip. So tomorrow we're going to go to get the S2K, and we're going to bring it to Foster's and assess the damage. Good morning. We are going to try this one more time. Uno mas tiempo. This time, do we have everything? Do you have the bill of sale?
We do.
Okay, we have the bill of sale.
We've got the police report.
Okay.
We've got the bill of sale.
Okay.
And we have one of the most important parts. We got money.
Okay. So we should be good. If we have to come back again, you'll never hear from Nick again. Our choice of vehicle this go around is not going to be the S550, not going to be Fred. We are going to take the S650 again. This better be our last road trip.
It should be.
It will be. I really hope that we actually get to save the car. I mean, I don't know the extent of the damage, and Nick didn't either because it was at night when the drunk driver hit him. But you guys may have actually seen this 2JZ swapped S2K before. We've seen it in like 1320 videos. Ends up finding it on Marketplace and trades them straight up for a S197 single turbo Mustang. So pretty solid deal. It was a sick car. Man, didn't even get to enjoy it for 35 hours. And I tell you, Nick bought this car, and the first meet he takes it to, he left the meet and gets hit by a drunk driver after taking a U-turn. So we got one in yesterday, and we had really good luck yesterday.
We did have good luck yesterday.
Oh, good, dude.
That did feel pretty good. What do you think?
I think we're about to pick up an S2K. Okay, we made it back. Wild S2K, still there. Hopefully this time they actually let us release the thing. S650 kind of looking fire though. Ring the doorbell. All right, they did let us have it this time, so we're gonna go look at the S2K for the first time since the accident. Hopefully it's not that bad. The issue is this car already has a rebuilt title, so it's very hard to get a second rebuilt title if they were to total it out again. Goodness. So that's the impact. Oh. Oh, wow.
And then this resembles Parker's front weld.
All right now, dude.
It's bent up front. What do you think, dude? Was it worse than you anticipated?
The tire was debeaded right here on the rear, but you need some bead locks. That's what you needed.
Need some bead locks.
Needed some bead locks. And now we're twins up here on the front runner. So that looks just like mine on the C6, if you guys saw that video. Actually, you should probably pop the hood. They might have already stripped this thing down.
Imagine there's no 2J in here and it's gone.
Moment of truth, moment of truth. Is this still a 2J S2K, or is it gone?
It's gone, dude. Oh my god.
Other than that massive hole in the block, it doesn't look that bad. I need to merge. At Foster's full-on compound. We're gonna go into his Grand Theft Auto garage. I don't know if I've shown it on this page. Oh, this is where the C6 was. Let's see if we can find the C6's oil leaks. I think these are the C6's oil leaks. Yeah, this is where the C6 was. Dang, dude. One day I'm gonna be like Foster. Rode casually. 2022 Huracan, Mark IV, G80 M3 comp, M2, another M3, another M3, another Supra, another Mark IV. Miata? Like, dude. All right, S2K's getting delivered. Except it's not a fun delivery. It's a bad delivery.
It's not a fun delivery.
Is it not supposed to be leaking a mysterious liquid?
No. I'm trying to think.
Does that make your butt stink a little bit?
A little bit. Has it rained at all since the
No, not one time.
Nice.
Dang. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, the tire wrinkle. This thing is fast as hell. We could have just... If he would have rolled it down fast enough, straight through the garage into the Huracan, you'd have Foster a little bit of money. Alright, bro. Scoping out full carbon fiber rear end, carbon doors. This thing's gonna go from 2,900 pounds to like 2,300 pounds.
It would be pretty cool.
1,200 horsepower, 2,500 pounds. Money.
Damn, you tweaked the frame next to the rebuilt sticker.
Dang.
Imagine.
Rebuilt title and a freshly bent frame right after that. Dang, dude.
Sucks, dude.
My bet is it'll buff out. First flexing his car to the tow truck driver too. He'll sell it.
Yeah, you wanna buy it? Dude, that turbo is bigger than the turbo on the Kenworth.
What's your guess on how long it takes to spool the turbo up?
Without mattress. Is it front mount undercover? Yeah.
11.5 seconds.
The frame? Do you have access to a lift?
Luckily your fucking oil pan's not as low as whatever the fuck that thing is. 'Cause that shit got fucking caked in dirt.
I worked 20 years to get that thing and you just now did that. I've had this car since you were in diapers.
Looks to just be cosmetic, so we got to make sure that that built 2J still works. Gonna have Nick go ahead, fire her up, see if she'll still hold 45 pounds on that trans brake, and launch it while the tires look like that.
Yeah.
That'll hold. Just really hope the motor is okay, dude. This thing was 30. Oh god, Nick, it's smoking. Oh shit. Oh, dude, it's totaled. It's totaled. Oh my. It's gone, dude. Oh, she wants to. Why don't you just bang off the limiter after it has to start it in 3 days? This thing is on Motec, so we're hoping that we can salvage it, because this thing was a pretty quick car, dude. You guys may have seen this thing in some 1320 videos, dusting some cars. It's quick as long as you don't, you know, get rammed in the side by a drunk driver. I'm gonna try and get him to do a little nitrous trans brake up to about 40 pounds. I think it's safe to say the 2J is still in good condition, which really is all that matters. It's the most expensive part of the car. Trying to get some better pictures. The insurance is trying to say they just want to replace a quarter panel. It's a unibody car, and that looks a little bit like frame damage. So, what do you think they're gonna do? They're gonna send you a check for about 50 bucks, tell you to have a good day. Since the car's already destroyed, dude, I really need an intro. You know, got to get people to the page. So I'm gonna do a burnout just facing your car, if that's cool.
No.
All right, I'm gonna do it anyways.
Yo, what just popped?
I don't know. What popped? Yeah, my motor. That sounded really bad.
Well, that's kind of the last update on the S2K for the day. The insurance is going to pick it up tomorrow, bring it to the body shop, because right now they're just saying that they're going to replace the quarter panel. And obviously there's a little more damage than the quarter panel. So they're going to bring it to a body shop, have a specialist come and look at it, and then total it up. You guys will obviously be updated. But Foster and I are about to race his Huracan versus the twin turbo S650. So if you want to see that, see you in the next video.